Hi. I haven't seen a video on YouTube on how to change out an exhaust manifold gasket on a SR20DET, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. Here I remove the turbo outlet pipe to give it more space to work. I found that the leftmost stud and the rightmost stud were the easiest spots that I could get a socket on to get those nuts off. If your studs start spinning around, you want to get you one of these. It's a 4. I'm not sure what this socket is called, but it's the same. I have ISR studs in my head, so this fits on here perfectly. And then you can hold on to this while you're turning the nuts. Here I took off the turbo outlet to give me more space to reach the two nuts that are in the middle of the exhaust manifold. For the two middle nuts here, I used my 14mm S wrench to get those out, since it's a very hard to reach place and you can't just get any stubby or regular 14mm wrench in there. Alright, so next, you're going to want to take off your turbo water feed here. That's what basically is holding this up right now. Besides my AC, which we'll figure out how to get that off too if we need to, but I think we can get away with it. Here's our issue here. See all that carbon right there? It's leaking a little bit. A lot bit actually. I'm gonna put this new one in. It's a multi-layer one. But first we gotta clean off the ports on the motor. Right there. I just inspected for any kind of burrs or imperfections on both surfaces, whether it's on the head or on the actual manifold itself, and clean those accordingly. Next, what we're going to do is put the studs back in.